Welcome to Home of Math. Simplify each of the following. First one, 64 x to the power 6 to the power 3 by 2. So this one we can simplify like this. 64 we can write 2 to the power 6, right? How? 64 we can divide by 2, it will be 32. Then we divide by 2, it's a 16. Again divided by 2, it 8. Divide by 2, 4. And finally divided by 2, it's a 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power 6 means 64. And here is x to the power 6. It will be unchanged. And power is 3 by 2. Then we can write 2 to the power 6 times 3 by 2 times x to the power 6 times 3 by 2. How? We know if a to the power a and b to the power 2, it means a square and b square. Now we can deduct something like 6 divide 2, it will be 3. So we can write 2 to the power 9 times. Again 6 divide 2, it will be 3. So x to the power 9. So what will be our answer? 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9 means what? 512 times x to the power 9. Okay. So this is our first answer done. Number 2. 30 a to the power 4 root 25b square, and here is divide 6a square. This one we can write like we can divide this 30 by 6, so here is 5. Similar, a to the power 4 we can divide by a square, so here is only a square. So no need this one. We can write 5a square, and also this 25 we can, once we make a square root, it will be 5 and b square become b. So what will be the answer? 5 times 5 is a 25 and a square b. Very simple question. Question 3 and today's last question answer. A to the power minus 1 a times a b to the power minus 2 plus b to the power minus 2, right? So once we multiply a to the power minus 1 and a, so both a will be out. How? A to the power minus 1 times a, it means a to the power minus 1 means 1 by a, and times a, so we can divide each other, so answer will be 1. Therefore here is only b to the power minus 2. So b to the power minus 2, and here is plus b to the power minus 2. Our answer is 2 b to the power minus 2. Or if anybody want, they can write 2 times 1 by b square equals to 2 by b square. This one and this one is similar thing. So you may keep it up to here. Okay. So no more today. We are trying to solve, or we are trying to simplify 3 short surds. So it's a very important question for IGCSE O-Level and Edexcel. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.